Hey y'all, I have a little sneak peek for you. I don't know if you guys know that I have been house hunting again. God, I hate house hunting. But, I love house hunt, I love go look my house. But I have finally found the home that I think is going to be perfect for me and my family. And I'm going to give you a little sneak peek. So, we're moving in for June 1st. So I'm just here to meet with internet people so that I can have internet installed before I get in because you know the work situation. Go. Now, one of the things that I really wanted in this next home was curb appeal because last time we were living in an apartment situation, it just did look like one big block. So I think we found it. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm hiding under this palm tree that's right in the front. Because sun hot. But this is the house. Let me come out in the sun just a little bit for y'all. This is what we're looking like. I wish the garage was covered, but me not care, so I don't really know. There's a balcony up there off my bedroom, of course. This is right in front of the house. It has a bike path. We're actually on the main street, so the street is kind of busy, but that's okay because we're walk foot and bicycle foot soon. So that means that, we can have easy access to where we need to go. It is 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, so everybody has their own space. That's the part I love the most. Right there goes to the kitchen, and there's a whole space right there to go around to the backyard. I love it. I really, really think we found a long-term home. What y'all think? This is also our first completely unfurnished home. Like there's a stove in there, but not even a fridge. So at least I get to like decorate how I want to this time because some of them people and their furniture. But obviously that's a big bill if I feel generous. But anyway, I am so excited to start decorating. I have another sneak peek for you all. Look at the size of this balcony space. I absolutely love it. There is so much potential out here. Oh my goodness, I love it. Like, I don't know if you can see how big it is really. But I have whole heap of ideas. Like, I can get one of those hanging chairs, the egg-shaped chairs hanging from right there. So I could totally do that. Or I could put like a whole swing, the 2 people swing one with the umbrella over it. Look here. I can put something right. Look here. I want to put decking. Look here. No, sir. I love this space. Let me go all the way out here so give y'all another perspective. See? It's big. Out here is nice. And I love a balcony. I